In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix new Outlook app not opening in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu on a Windows 11, search for Outlook. Once app appears, right-click on it and select the option App Settings. Now scroll down until you find the option Terminate. Click on that. This will completely close the app. After that, scroll a little further down and click on Repair. Wait a few seconds for Windows to repair the Outlook app. Once the repair process is finished, click on Reset and then confirm by clicking Reset again. This will restore the app settings back to default and can fix most launches issues. Now launch the Outlook app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is search for Run, launch it. Now here type in %local app data % and search for it. A File Explorer window will open. Scroll down and open the folder called Microsoft. Inside this folder, look for Outlook-related folders such as Outlook and OLK or similar cache folders depending on your system version. Select those folders and delete them by clicking the trash icon. This clears corrupted cache files that may be preventing Outlook from opening properly. Once you complete this process, launch your Outlook app and it will work. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix the new Outlook app not opening on Windows 11. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.